Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Rust crashing on spawning words. So let's start. The first step, open the Steam launcher. Now go to library, after that select collections, search for Rust, after that go to manage on the right, which is the gear icon, and select properties, click on install files and select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the corrupted and the lost files to be recovered. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar, look for NVIDIA app. Once this opens, go to drivers and make sure you install and download the necessary and the latest available driver right here. Next, go to the search once again and search for settings. Once this opens, in the left menu go to Windows Update and make sure to install all available updates you find. After that, close everything. For the next step, go to the search and type in view advanced system settings and go to advanced, the third tab. After that, select settings, go to advanced, the second one. After that, select change in the virtual memory section. Now uncheck this box and select custom size. You can view the recommended size, which is approximately 4000 MB. So make sure to put a closer value, for example 4050 for the initial and 4050 for the maximum size. Select OK and make sure to restart your computer. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.